What if I told you there are checkmates so simple a beginner can learn them in 10 seconds, and others so beautiful they look completely impossible? Today, we're climbing the chess ladder from 100 ELO all the way to 2000 ELO, looking at famous checkmates every player should know. And trust me, the last one looks like something straight out of a movie. Let's begin. 100 ELO, Fool's Mate. White starts with F3. Already suspicious. Black responds with E5. Then white plays G4, and suddenly the king is completely exposed. Black doesn't need a second invitation. Queen to H4. Checkmate. 2 moves. Game over. If this happens to you, don't worry. Every chess player has made a move they wish they could immediately take back. 300 ELO, Scholar's Mate. This is the first checkmate many players learn. White begins with E4. Black responds with E5. White develops the bishop to C4. Black develops the knight to C6. Then white brings the queen out and targets F7 together with the bishop. A lot of beginners miss this threat. If black casually plays knight F6, disaster strikes. Queen takes F7. Checkmate. It's simple, it's effective, and it has probably claimed thousands of victims. 500 ELO, Back Rank Mate. This one appears in real games all the time. The king gets trapped behind its own pawns. No escape squares, no breathing room, no air. Then a rook or queen invades the back rank. Checkmate. The lesson? Give your king an escape square before your opponent kindly demonstrates why it needed one. 700 ELO, Legal's Mate. Everything looks normal, pieces are developed, the knight gets pinned. Black thinks the pressure is building. Then white calmly moves the pinned knight away. Suddenly, the queen looks free. Black grabs it. Big mistake. A bishop check follows. The king has only one square. And then, bam! Checkmate right in the center of the board. Nothing feels worse than winning a queen and somehow losing the game. 1000 ELO, Smothered Mate. This is one of the most beautiful checkmates in chess. A knight gives check. The king is forced to move. A double check follows. The king moves again. Then comes the famous queen sacrifice. Everything looks crazy. The queen is taken, and then the knight jumps in. Checkmate. The king is trapped by its own pieces. No escape, no help, completely smothered. 1500 ELO, Anastasia's Mate. The attack begins with a check. The king is forced toward the side of the board. Then white sacrifices the queen on H7. A terrifying move. Black is forced to accept. Now the knight removes the escape squares. The king is trapped. The rook enters the attack. Checkmate. Elegant, brutal, and surprisingly common once you know the pattern. 1700 ELO, Boden's Mate. 2 bishops, 1 king. Absolutely nowhere to run. Black plays rook takes C3 check. The king cannot escape sideways because 1 bishop controls the route. White is forced to capture. Now the diagonal opens. The second bishop joins the attack. Checkmate. The bishops cross their lines perfectly, like a pair of laser beams cutting off every escape square. 2000 ELO, Morphy's Mate. Now we arrive at a masterpiece. White checks on G7. The king has only 1 move. Then the rook moves away, revealing a discovered check from the bishop. The king moves. The rook swings back. Another check. The king is driven toward the corner, again and again. This is called a windmill, one of the most satisfying tactics in chess. Finally, the rook cuts the king off completely. Black tries to block with the rook, but the bishop captures it. Checkmate. A perfect finish. So which checkmate was your favorite? The Fool's Mate, the famous Scholar's Mate, or the beautiful Morphy's Mate at 2000 ELO? Let me know in the comments. And if you learned a new checkmate today, you're already a stronger player than you were 5 minutes ago.